चलो टॉस। डेजलर्स विल कॉल। एम्पायर ने टॉस कॉइन को स्पिन किया है और हेड आई है। यहाँ पे डेजलर्स ने टॉस जीत लिया है। हमारे न्यू कैप्टन है यहाँ पे रामपाल जी डेजलर्स के। आज आपने कप्तानी के काम मान संभाली है और जैसे ही टॉस जीत लिया आपने आते ही कप्तानी की क्या निर्णय रहेगा आपका?
थैंक यू मिस्टर गोयल। मेरा टीम हिट में जो भी रहेगा
तो डिस्कस करेंगे आप ऊपर टीम से। तो इस बार कैप्टनसी की आपको बहुत अच्छी शुभकामनाएं। उमेश जी आज आपने कैप्टन बदल दिया है।
जज्बा वही है।
जज्बा वही है।
जज्बा पहले भी था।
डेजलर्स लेकिन हार की राह पे है ये।
तो हार जीत तो परमात्मा के हाथ में है। हमारा काम है अपना बेस्ट देना, यहाँ पर ग्राउंड में आना, अपने आप को फिट रखना और एक अच्छे गेम का आनंद उठाना। दैट्स इट। हार जीत तो चलती रहती है।
ये हमारे जीतने वाले कप्तान सुपर किंग सोनीपत से जीतू गहलावत जी। टॉस हार के निराशा तो नहीं होगी?
अरे बिल्कुल नहीं।
चलिए अब खेलते हैं आज एक बढ़िया मैच के लिए। ओके, विश यू बेस्ट ऑफ लक। ये हमारी पिच है। ये रवि हमारा ग्राउंड फ्रेंड लगा के काम कर रहा है। शाबाश बेटा।
शॉट यार है जबरदस्त।
ओ यार ये ओए इस पे मारना था। करना
Gaul is on batting and Gullen Magra, one of the very fast bowlers. This ball, oh my god, this has been belted away through the leg area and it has gone for 4. 3 fours in a single over. It has been a big blow to the Dazzlers, and the bowler Glenn Magra, who was very economical in the last over, has been belted away for 3 fours. Unfortunately, 2 has gone for edge, and third one is, can say, a good 4 by Sandeep Goyal. And छोड़ दे इसको करने दे. And it is a very fine 4 by Sandeep Goyal. And now I can describe the field placement by Shampal. Shampal is the new captain of Dazzlers, and Shampal himself in slip cordon, and there are 3 players in the slip, 1 in the cover region, and this ball of Glenn Magra to Sandeep Goyal. Oh my goodness, this could be a catch, this could be a catch. Oh my god, this is a very poor drop, and it can be said this is a dolly. My goodness, this is a dolly catch dropped by AD, who has been disgruntled because bowling has not been given to him by the Shampal, the captain, and the Monu, who is recovering from a back injuries, is a wicket keeper, a good one. And this ball of Glenn Magra to Sandeep Goyal. Oh no, my goodness. Oh, 1 run, just 1 run. It was a very good hit, but the outcome was just 1 run. And there has been a lot of encouragement from the slip cordon, and the Mono is ready for wicket keeping. He has been excellent wicket keeper for me as well. And this ball, and this has been hit in straight away, and this could be a 4, and it is. And now runs are flowing from the bat of captain, and you can say Super Kings has got momentum in this over, in the last over, and the captain Shampal is very disappointed from the bowler end. And Shampal could himself introduce to the bowling. A new bowler has been introduced, a spinner, Stuart McGill, to Captain Amrish. This ball has been respected by the captain, and it was a good ball on the upside. And now the second ball from the spinner, Stuart McGill, who is a left arm spinner, a leg break you can say, and this ball to Amrish. Oh, very lovely ball in the middle, and again no run is the result. And the third ball from the Stuart McGill to Captain Amrish. This ball, oh, this has been cut away, but very good ball, not out. It was a very close call. It could have been out, but the throw was pinpoint, but the keeper did not collect at time. And that's why the run out was missed. But 3 balls dot in a row, and the pressure is building on the captain, on the batsman. And now next to see what will happen on the next ball, because 3 balls dot in a row in a T20 match. Next ball. Oh my goodness, 4 lovely ball, 4 dot. And in the power play, a serious pressure is building on the captain, and it could result into a wicket or in a boundary. Let's see what will happen on the 5th ball. A very good bowling from the bowler. And the 5th ball, one run results, but it was a good ball and good fielding. You can say a little bit misfielding. That's result in a single, but 5 ball of this over has passed, and just 1 run is the result. And now what we will see what Goyal can do with the last ball, because it is going a power play. There are fielding restrictions, but last ball, Umesh on bowling, and this ball, one run, little bit misfielding. It could have been a close call, but 1 run completed, and just 2 runs from this very lovely and good bowling. Now there is a bowling change, and the main bowler AD has been introduced by the captain in the 6th over. And this could be a question on the captaincy, because the main bowler has been introduced in the 6th over 2020 match, and the ball is 5 overs old, And now the sixth over from the AD, and on the batting is Sandeep Goyal. Let's see, this over could be a momentum changes over, because last over of the power play, and the batting side will be very happy to belt it. Oh my God! This has been hit in the air on the long off area, but the result is just 1 run. The ball was in the air for some time, but the fielder was far away and there was no possibility of catching. Monu, who is a very good keeper, good mentor, good guide of the bowling unit, today is playing, and the Shampal on the first slip. Amit Kaushik the Buddha on the second slip. And next ball. Oh, this has been played in the long on area. I think it is just 1 run. 2 balls, 2 runs in the power play, last over of the power play. The batting side will be happy to hit 2 boundary in this over, but the bowler is very good, indeed very good. This ball again in the air, but 2 runs may have been there, but the batsman hesitated to take them, and the outcome is just 1 run. 3 balls, 3 runs in the last over of the power play. 4th ball. Oh, again this has been hit in the long off area, but the outcome is just 1 run.
No risk, no risk.
Now 6th over of the power play is going on, and just 4 runs from the 4 ball. The pressure is building on the batting side. And 5th ball. Again, the shot was attempted, a wild one, but could not connect it properly, and the result is just 1 run in the leg side area.
एक बाउंड्री लेंगे.
5 balls, 5 run. Last ball of the power play. If it is a boundary, that it could be beneficial to batting side. Oh, it has been hit away nicely in the leg side area, and for 4 runs.
Very good.
This was the intention from the right first ball, and the last ball of the power play. There is a 4, and the captain himself hit this, and the batting side is very happy. They have scored a very decent total in power play. 6 hours has been passed, and just 50 plus runs on the board. This is a small ground, a Pata wicket, a lot of runs required to win here. Bye bye for this time. 54 run actually, and with me in the commentary box is Mr. Amit Kaushik. Amit, he has requested to me to speak in Hindi because he is little bit tight in English. Okay, अमित जी कम विद मी. आप स्लिप कॉर्डर में खड़े होते हो. आपने बहुत 2-3 ओवर काफ़ी ख़राब तो नहीं कह सकते, एजिस से काफ़ी रन गए हैं, और 2-3 ओवर अच्छे हिट लगे, लेकिन 3 से 4 ओवर बहुत अच्छे गए हैं. अभी आप इस टोटल को इतने छोटे ग्राउंड पे कैसे देख रहे हैं? 6 ओवर हो चुके हैं, आपकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया है प्लीज़?
सभी दर्शकों को बहुत बहुत नमस्कार. सुबह का बहुत अच्छा मौसम. जो अभी हमारे साथी कमेंटेटर ने जो कहा है कि जो काफ़ी रन गए हैं स्लिप कॉर्नर से, ऐसा नहीं है. ग्राउंड बहुत अच्छा है और ये चेजेबल स्कोर रहेगा.
मैं अमित जी को याद दिलाना चाहूँगा, यह कोई पॉलिटिकल स्टेटमेंट नहीं है कि कोई ये ऐसी बातें मत करें राजनीतिक. आप सिंपली ये बताएं कि स्लिप कॉर्नर से रन गए हैं, वो एज के गए हैं. आप एक कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं?
नहीं.
एंड नाउ अमित हैज़ गॉन, and the last over of the commentary, because I have some urgent work to do so, and the last over of the commentary, and the match will go on, the video will go on, but commentary will be paused. And there is another bowling change. Now Ankit been introduced to bowling, who carries a lot of his hobby. He is a good batsman, though sometimes he make run, but lot of times he just do hoo-ha, hoo-ha. and now he's on bowling. His speed has been reduced significantly from the last few years because of his fat on his belly. A very fat man. Oh my god, what am I seeing? A fast bowler has turned into a spinner or say medium pacer because the keeper is on the wicket, very close to wicket, and Sandeep Goyal is on batting. And after the power play, first ball, 7th over, just 54 runs on the board, and the first ball after the power play. It has been hit into the air, but it wasn't connected properly. That's why a 1 run in results, and outcome is just 1 runs. Super Kings has a very good batsman in the dugout. So they want to gain the momentum from here because a lot of batsmen waiting to try their shots. And the second ball, and captain on the batting, and this ball.
ये अच्छा ये खेल लो ऐसे करो
Just a single. Just a single run. Oh my goodness! It could have been a close call, but the batsman hesitated and they did not take any risk for double run. Vikas has won the captaincy
ट्रैक रोटेट
in favor of Shampal, and this is the second ball of the after the power play, and Sandeep Goyal on batting. Oh, it has been placed very well in the offside
मजा आएगा देख के गोल साहब
for 1 run, and there has been call from the dugout to gain momentum, to make some fast runs. There is some encouragement from the captain side, who is himself on the leg side, and the third ball from Lankit. Third ball. Oh my goodness! Oh, 6 run! 6 run on the leg side. A flick, a very powerful flick of the wrist. Amrish has put it away for the 6 runs on the leg side, and it has been powerfully flicked, and the ball went with the speed of a bullet. Six runs, though the ground is short, but the shot was very good.
ग्राउंडेड मारो ग्राउंडेड
Oh my god.
ऐसे ऐसे मारो जैसे मारा हो
Very, very
नो
magnificent,
रिस्क
very eye-pleasing shot. And I assure you, everybody on the ground enjoyed the shot, including the fielding side. And the fourth ball of the Ankit, the fatty man, with the fourth ball. Oh, leg side, leg side, leg side, leg side. A very feeble appeal of LBW. Very feeble appeal. Umpire declined.
रोड पे जाओ रोड पे
Umpire declined, and so the results was a 1 run for leg boy.
नो विकेट
Last ball of the over. And if it is a boundary, the Super Kings will be very happy. And now the last ball of the 7th over. This ball. Oh.
दो 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 नो 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 नो
What am I seeing here is a great change in bowling. The one of the best bowler of the century, Mr. Vikas, has been introduced. All the fans on the toes. What will happen? The first ball, the fielding has been set. Everybody, eyes on the ground. There is a little bit field changing, but for such a great bowler, no field is needed. First ball to Sandeep Goyal. Oh! One run tight call. Oh, not out, not out, not out, not out. One run tight Out. Very tight run, very tight indeed. And it could result in a wicket, but the throw was on spot. But the keeper could not collect it at right time, and the ball slipped from the hands, and the hands were on the wickets. So it was a missed opportunity from the great bowler, from the hands of wicketkeeper, but on the bowling of Mr. Vikas, one of the great test bowler of the century, Mr. Vikas, a turner, a spinner, a faster, all in a one combo. This ball. Oh, this is the quality of this great man. This is the quality. He can mix, he can do a lot of variations. This is the quality of this great man. Third ball, two ball has been passed and just one run, and another third ball to the captain. And this ball. Oh, in the cover region, but the field has been set nicely and just one run. It could be 2 runs. Yes. Oh my, oh. Little bit change in the situations. And there is a misfielding, poor fielding. Poor fielding from Umesh Kaushik, who has shifted his side from the Super Kings. A very bad manifestation of a bad fielding. Oh my goodness. Vikas a little bit disappointed, but he's a great bowler. Fourth ball. Flight. Oh! 4 run. Amrish will be very happy to hit a 4 on such a great bowler. His confidence, he will be on cloud 9. His confidence will boost up. And what a pleasing experience he can have to hit such a great bowler. This was flighted in the air, little bit short, and Amrish has belted it to the cover region. And the fifth ball. Oh, nice comeback. This is the quality. Nice comeback. Little bit variations in the air and a flighted one. Oh my goodness. Last ball. All eyes on the Vikas. Last ball. Oh, not out. The batsman was bamboozled in the air. Fooled, bamboozled, missed. Just one boundary and one was misfielding. So goodbye for now, and it has been 8 hours, and in the next match we will meet, we will do commentary if any encouragement will from the public. Goodbye for this time.
बढ़िया आराम से बिल्कुल आराम से ये शाबाश बढ़िया डे रन बढ़िया डे आराम से बहुत बढ़िया नहीं यार अमरीश भाई आपकी कॉल है यार। डबल है।
दो लेगा तो आउट होगा। वो कित मारे है मारी नहीं हवा में। यार ये मत करो।
कर रहा हूँ।
तेज मारे थे जाम दुट्टा मारे तेज क्या रोगे चल चल तो कोने होया चलो रे
अरे पूरा तो करते रहने दो
सीधी है भैया। सुनील है वो।
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
यात्रा होगी कंप्लीट।
क्या खत्म होते हैं
दिखे को नहीं दे रहा है। पर के में हमारे पर का मौका ही नहीं।
उसका भाई
जितू बड़ा करिए। नहीं वाइड नहीं।
छोड़ दे ना भैया।
एक रन आराम से।
बहुत बढ़िया यार। ये खेल लेंगे चोट तक खेलना
एक रन
हमारे यार अरे यार गया रहे सुनील भी यार। बोल कड़ा है थैंक यू।
रनना है कुछ भी भाई। शॉट भैया। दो लो दो दो दो। चले 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 गोरे गोरे गो चले। और ये शानदार घुमाया है। वो नहीं पकड़ी जा उस पे। और कैच छोड़ते हुए एडी कैच छोड़ते हुए कवरिंग करते हुए सुनील शेरावत। और ये प्यारा मारा है। निराश अपनी फील्डिंग से टीम की। फील्डिंग से निराश उमेश कौशिक। अच्छी बॉलिंग करने के बावजूद भी फील्डरों ने साथ नहीं दिया। और ये हमारे दूसरे कौशिक साहब लाजवाब फील्डिंग कर रहे हैं आज। पता नहीं क्या खा के आए, लग रहा है शिलाजीत खा के आए हैं। कैप्टन संभालते हुए बॉलिंग की कमांड।
कितने हो गए?
देखते हैं संदीप लारा जी क्या स्ट्रेटजी अपनाएंगे लास्ट के ओवर्स में। लास्ट ओवर संदीप लारा स्ट्राइक पर। कप्तान लास्ट ओवर की कमांड संभालते हुए। लारा जी बड़े ही काम बैट्समैन। किसी भी चीज़ का प्रेशर नहीं, ना रन का ना बैटिंग का। देखते हैं क्या स्ट्रेटजी अपनाने वाले हैं लारा जी। और ये वाइड फेंकते हुए, बॉल को दूर रखते हुए कैप्टन। नो बॉल, विकेट से बाहर बॉल फेंकते हुए लारा जी को फ्रीट मिल गई है। बल्ला खोलने का सुनहरा मौका लास्ट में।
कोई नहीं, फ्रीट है, यही की लास्ट ओवर है।
और ये थोड़ा सा मिस होते हुए दिनेश, राइट हैंड बैट्समैन देखते हैं, काफ़ी सालों बाद खेल रहे हैं ये भी, क्या करना चाहेंगे लास्ट ओवर में। और ये शानदार घुमाया है चौके की तरफ जाते हुए, उमेश कौशिक खड़े रह गए वहां पर। उमेश कौशिक को बॉल ही नहीं दिखी। लाजवाब शॉट मारते हुए दिनेश, काफी सालों बाद कमबैक करते हुए। जान इतनी कि बॉल का धागा खोल दे एक ही शॉट में। अमित जी बीच बीच में समय समय पर अच्छी एडवाइस देते हुए।
ये अच्छा था।
दिनेश जी द पावरफुल मैन ऑन द स्ट्राइक। और ये छक्का मारा है, क्या शानदार छक्का है, क्या जवाब बैटिंग करते हुए दिनेश जी। सालों बाद कमबैक करी है, लेकिन जान अच्छी बनी है। दिनेश, कप्तान जी की धुलाई होती हुई। ये हमारे सुरेंद्र बिष्ट लेग अंपायरिंग पर खड़े हुए।
विदाउट बैटिंग जाएंगे।
हो सकता है एक बॉल ही नहीं मिले।
दो बॉल रह
रामपाल जी ऊपर आ जाओ।
चार रह रही है। चार शूट तार दे।
वाइड फेंक देगा वो।
तो वीरेंद्र जी क्या कहना चाहेंगे? काफी सालों बाद कमबैक कर रहे हैं हमारे दिनेश जी, और आते ही छक्का मारा है।
I have seen only 2 shots and 2 were on the spots, 1 for 6 and 1 for 4 and this ball. Oh, 2. Oh.
एक और है।
One more.
Sunshine.
पार्टी का पहला मैच है बीइंग कैप्टन, और इन्होंने अपनी बॉलिंग ले ली है। देखो कितनी बॉल बची हैं।
Ball left.
Isn't it beautiful?
Two ball laps.
It's got my head all up in
3 ball
the
laps.
clouds. I
2
think I
balls
found it now.
now.
Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now.
संदीप लारा हमेशा की तरह नोट आउट करते हैं बड़े काम में।
Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got
वो तो
sunshine.
कैसे लास्ट
I gotta let you know